Clustering and cloud computing. Introduction to the cloud. In that, we are seeing what are the different characteristics of the cloud. On-demand self-service. Cloud computing allow the user to use web services and resources on demand. One can log on to a website at any time and use them. That is depending upon their need, depending upon their requirements. Broad network access everywhere it is. Since cloud computing is completely web based, it can be accessed from anywhere and at any time. You can have a resource pooling. Cloud computing allow multiple tenants to share a pool of resources. One can share a single physical instance of hardware, database, and basic infrastructure. Rapid elasticity. It is very easy to scale up or down the resource at any time. Resources used by the customers or currently assigned to the customers are automatically monitored and resources. It make it possible to cater the different services because of elasticity. If you see this particular diagram, there are different characteristics of the cloud. The common characteristic of the cloud are massive scale, virtualization, homogeneity, low cost software, resilient computing, geographic distributions, service orientations, advanced security it is providing. These all characteristics, these all feature which is inbuilt in the cloud provides high level of services. Essential characteristic you can see on demand self services, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity. At a moment you can stretch up measured services till the time you are making use of the cloud. For that time only you have to pay. That is metered also, called as metered services. That means for the amount of time that you are using it, for that amount of time only you are paying. Like for a Ola taxi, you are paying for 1 hour or 2 hour services. Apart from that, you need not have to bother about the whole services of the vehicle or the driver or anything, only about that particular service. There are different service models: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and above that, the deployment models. There will be a private cloud, there can be a community cloud, there can be a public cloud, or it can be a hybrid cloud which connect all these three. So this is a basic frame structure in which it provides different services, different platforms, and its deployment model, its service model, its basic characteristic, and its common characteristics. It looks like this.